Your children are abducted.
Umuzungu yabawamba n'ibintu natwara n'inyumba natwara n'inyumba namenya dusura wabwirwa ati dura usura kega ngize yase natwara abana basibe.
Let me get this clear. You don't have your children with you.
Yabawamba basatu n'inyumba nayimenya n'ibintu natwara dusura wabwirwa umucyara bajye musibe.
Did you go to police? This is a serious matter. You don't have your children with you.
Irani basuka nibamenye inyumba imwe batwara abandi babatwara mutwasi menye imbere barimo kati ibaba bakomeza
they don't know the status of the children. They only know that the children were arrested. They just
that is why I want you to go to your children. At one point you say you want your children. Yeah. And when they want to hand over, I don't want them because I don't know where. Are you going to be responsible for? What do you want?
He wants money. Ikizimundina ono yabaja mu nyumba yasanga nadusiba abantu bajya mu nyumba ibintu byona n'imeze byona na sente kwa natwa Ya n'abana n'abatwara.
Witness took everything, inclusive is the food and the money, together with the children.
Saidi, that is why we are in court. We are in court to address the issue of your legitimacy.
Bano banje bambeese era n'ebintu byange atwala era mu ngeri nk'omukozi anyambireho okubateeka kubanga sinaavo
And also the things that the witness took, together with also to help him take care of the children.
You see, the difference between you and the witness that you are calling here is the subject of the dispute. That's why we are in court. I cannot make orders.
Yuranga emiti
Those
ata.
were also eucalyptus.
No, I don't know which type of.
Jejo tamanyi kika, jali miti kika ki.
So since the witness has not come with the documents that are the issue,
And I also reported to the police Mukono that he introduced malicious damage. Due to safety reasons, I have just the soft copies because I don't want to. Roten, R-O-T-E-N.
R-O-T-E-B. Oh,
And-
right. How old are you?
48.
Ekizadde ky'amaanyi
48.
Yeah.
ate ng'alina emyaka 48.
Do you have a religion?
Yeah.
Which religion?
Catholic.
Catholic. You can take oath.
Just double take with the right hand.
Sorry.
With the right hand. Like this. You say, I, you, Oliver Rotten,
I, Oliver Roten.
you swear in the name of the Almighty God. You swear in the name of the Almighty
I'm
God.
giving the of the Almighty God.
You swear in the name of the Almighty God.
I swear in the word of the Almighty God,
And that the evidence you're going to give
and the evidence I'm going to give
pertaining the matter in court
pertaining the matter in court
is the truth,
is the truth,
nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
Ayitibwa keeyandike okusobola okusazaamu endagaano eyo.
And that was submitted on the 27th of July 2020.
Era nti ekyo kyakolebwa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 27
27
Of July
July
2020.
2020.
Yes.
That was when the contract was terminated.
Right.
nti era nga-
Okay.
Of Bule Bongo to the OC police station. Yeah. Bule and Pata.
Nabule. Bule. Bule is B.
You
B-W.
no only one you thing and malicious damage.
era nti n'agenda mu maaso n'awa omusango ku poliisi y'emukono awo gw'okusaalimbira mu kifo awamu n'okwonoona ebintu ebitali byo. Kusaalimbira mu kifo ekitali kikyo n'okwonoona ebintu nga si byo.
And we did the site visit with police Mukono.
So what did it damage?
Yeah, we had planted 4,000 trees. We planted 4,000 trees.
What kind of trees?
Eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus.
Yeah.
Era nti
They were cut.
Yes.
They cut 4,000 trees.
Yeah.
era baali baasimba emiti 4,000 nti naye zonna zonna ne muzisala.
And so they were selling the trees.
Era nti nga mutunda emiti egyo era ebyo
So
bifaananyi
we are
byalaga.
happy to firewood.
And firewood and for the buildings.
Era nti nga zikozesebwa okuzimba. Nti baawaba omusango gwe Mukono naye teri kyatuukawo.
I was not feeling safe to go back to the land because there were goons and 20 guys.
Era nti yali teewulira kubanga ajja kuba mu ddembe ng'ali mu
You're afraid to go back to the land?
Yeah, during that time I was afraid
Why?
because there were 20 people on the ground. There were rumors that they are quite aggressive and I was not feeling safe to go back.
era nti nga atya okuddayo addayo ku ttaka eryo okusinziira nti yali awulira nti waliyo abantu 20 era nga baali abantu ba buvuyo.
And some people said, yeah, he is also selling the land.
Era nti n'abantu abalala bakutegeeza nti n'ettaka wali ogenda mu maaso ditunda.
The surveyors were on the land. Surveyors based on the LC1 were on the land.
Era nti okusinziira ku LC yategeezebwa nti basaveya baali ku ttaka eryo.
So since construction was going on the land, more buildings and buildings were constructed.
Era nti ebizimbe nga byeyongera mu maaso n'ogenda ozimbibwa ku ttaka eryo.
I went to the State House anti-corruption.
Era nti n'agenda mu kitongole kya State House and Corruption.
And I provided all the required information, ownership, land title, what I reported at Police Mukono.
Nti era n'awayo ebiwandiiko byonna ebyali bikwatagana ku bwannannyini awamu n'ekyapa era n'okubategeeza nti awaga omusango ku poliisi y'Emukono.
And so the State House reviewed all information and arrested Zaid and his wife on the 11th of July.
Era nti State House olwamala okwekebejja ebiwandiiko ebyo ne bagenda mu maaso ne bajja ne babakwata mu
And arrested who?
Zaid, Umamungu and Olivia on the 14th of June. No, 11th of July, sorry. 11th of July.
era ne bajja ne babakwata mwembi ng'ennaku z'omwezi 11 omwezi ogw'omusanvu.
Another important information I missed, they spread information, lies around me that I died of COVID. So therefore, they own now the land.
Era nti n'obubaka obulala bwabadde erabidde okutegeeza nti yafuna okutegeezebwa nti mwali mugenda mu maaso okutegeeza abantu nti ye yali yafa COVID nti era kati mwe abaali bannannyini ba ttaka eryo.
Who gave you that information?
I met even Abu Mukasa.
Abu Mukasa?
Yeah, I met him last week. Abu Mukasa. And I got the information also from the LC1 and the LC2.
Nti yafuna obubaka obwo okuva ku LC1 ne LC2 n'okuva eri omwayitibwa Abu Mukasa. Nti obubaka obwo yafuna okuva ku LC1 ne LC2 n'okuva eri Abu Mukasa.
A soft copy I have with me.
Nti original y'ekyapa tagirina ssaawa zino eri ku bannamateeka baabwe
The original is with your lawyers.
Right.
How about the memorandum of undertaking which you entered between? But where is it?
I have it here, or in a hard copy outside.
The original copy?
They are also in K&K advocates.
How about the notice of
The one that they signed
yes.
Yeah.
for the caretaking.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
you have it?
No, that's also at K&K advocates. They hold all our documents.
Nti ekyapa ky'ettaka awamu n'endagaano gye mwakola byonna biriwa bannamateeka baabwe aba K&K.
Nosonko and Zubugo Giza.
Those are the supervisors
Yeah.
of the company.
Of the agreement. We had
Those are who? Witnesses? Who
Those are witnesses or-
no agents to supervisors to monitor if the agreement is followed.
Oh, okay. People to monitor the agreement.
Right.
You nominated people to
Right.
monitor the agreement.
Right. And
They
it
were
was
how many?
written
There
in
are
the tool.
Era nti n'endagaano ezo ne zirondayo abantu babiri okusobola okulaba nti endagaano eyo etuukirizibwa nti era mwe mwali Maria Nansoko n'Ensubuga.
Those are who? Nsubuga?
And Zubugo Yisa, YISA. They were doing commercial commercial farming, we're using much more as a 28 square meter.
era nga mukola okulima okuvaamu ssente
They went beyond the 28.
Yeah, much more.
nga mulimira ku kifo ekyali kisusaako square meters 28 ze mwali mwaweebwa.
Additional buildings were constructed.
Era ebizimbe ebirala nabyo ne mwongera bizimba.
Other peoples were living on the land. Additional unauthorized peoples were living on the land.
Era nti n'abantu abalala ne batandika okubeera ku ttaka eryo abaali tebakkiriziddwako.
Those are the additional people.
Yeah, but so they were on. He is the caretaker, so he was managing the.
How many people were there?
I need to check. I don't know. Couple, I don't know.
Nti abantu abo nga bo abaleetako ku kifo ekyo bamu abo abaleetako abaali babeera ku kifo ekyo nti naye tamanyi muwendo gwabwe ajja kwetaaga okukebera tumanya muwendo gwenye.
So then.
The accused person, termination notice.
Yeah, so he was then leaving, and I came back in 2023 in July. I need to check. I came back on the 9th of June 2023.
So after issuing the notice, you left the country.
I was already back. I was already previously back. As said, K&K Advocates submitted that letter on behalf of the companies. I was not.
You were not in the country?
No.
Okay. So after issuing the notice of termination, you returned. When did you
I
return?
returned previously, before we submitted that. I returned after we did the agreement.
When did you return to Uganda?
I returned then in 2023 in June.
Yadda mu Uganda mu mwaka 2023 mu mwezi ogw'omukaaga.
So I came back on the 9th of June 2023.
Zaali ennaku z'omwezi nga 9 mu mwezi ogw'omukaaga mu mwaka gwo.
That one, therefore the witness procure those documents before we can
Because they also need to look at the documents so that they can cross-examine.
Omwana gavumenti asabye okwongezaayo omusango okusobozesa omujulizi asobole okuleeta ebyo ebiwandiiko omuli tayito y'ettaka omuli endagaano gye mwakola awamu n'ekyo ekiwandiiko kye mwaweebwa bategeeza nti endagaano eyo esaziddwamu.
So we are going to give you another date.
they were young and the probation some God took care of them.
But now he's out. Why don't you
Yeah.
give him his children?
Right.
Gavumenti ategeeza nti abaana okusinziira nti baali bato baatwalibwa oyo ofiisi ekwatibwako abaana eya probation office eya Mukono.
Where are the children? Where are the children right now as we talk?
The Family and Child Protection Care has the children.
I do not look
No,
at this.
that,
First keep this.
Ebisoko bitereke
Where are your children?
nti abaana
You know where they
baliwa
are?
manyi gye bali saawa zino
simanyi
ezidazeno.
tetumanyi mukyala musibe abaana kaaba emyezi esatu kaaba.
No, I know. I'm aware the wife is on remand. But where are the children?
nti abaana mumanyi gye bali.
tetumanyi kubabafa tetumanyi badde basibe.
You have their children?
no. No.
The under the custody of what? The probation officer who took them to baby's home because both of them were arrested.
Because both of them were on remand.
Yes, so there was no way they...
So it was for their own interest,
Yes.
their own welfare.
Yes.
But now the father is out. Why
Right.
can't you keep the
Right.
children?
The State House said the same. The State House gave them a bond. The
namuwaaga ku
State House
poliisi
Anti-Corruption gave them a bond to go back to the children.
namuwaaga
But they were not going. And the State House, I can give you the contact details, told them, you are not even going back to your children. And then they told me, go to the LC to report the case about abandoned children because they are monsters, they could even hurt their own children. And
these
now
children in
again,
Mukono,
and
right
now
now
again.
as we talk, are these children in Mukono?
Yes.
bwe yabitwala tudusiba kushona badutwala yadusiba ku makya
Are these children in Mukono?
Your ship, I've made to understand that they are there and he has declined to go and work. Since he was granted bail and
He is a bad man.
Mwoyo gavumenti ategeeza nti wagaana ogendayo bakima okuva lwe weeyimirirwa.
simanyi bakimerwa simanyi gye nabatwalayo simanyi abatwala
Said, state is saying that your children are there and they are in Mukolo with the office of the probation officer. Can you go from here?
then it is better off for keeping you quiet and leave them take care until when they look for him, either him starting to raise.
No, what ignited me was when he said that the children were abducted. Abduction is a criminal offense, a very big one for that matter. I didn't know it was just an arrangement to have them.
It was just for their
Abadde tamanyi nti ensonga yali yafuna abaana abo but
how did you get to obtain them?
Yeah, they did already, they were already a little bit before that agreement on the plot.
At the time of purchase, they were already on the app.
No. Just a couple of months before that, before we did the caretaker agreement.
So there had been caretaking before even the agreement.
Yes, they did that, yeah.
Okay, maybe what I would ask is, before 2019 December, where were they? The two. Were they on the land?
Before the 2019? Yes, yeah, they were on the land, yeah.
ategeeza nti kuva omwaka 2019 nga temunaba kukola ndagaano eyo nti mwali mubeera ku kifo ekyo.
How were they on the land?
Sorry?
How did they get to the company land? That's what I'm asking. Before 2019.
I need to look into that again, but I can't really remember.
You don't know how they came on the land?
No, just now not.
Saawa zino tasobola kujjukira gutya omwajja okubeera ku kibanja ekyo ng'endagaano eyo tennabakolebwa.
Nosonko and Zubugo Giza.
Those are the supervisors
Yeah.
of the company.
Of the agreement. We had
Those are who? Witnesses? Who
Those are witnesses or-
no agents, to supervisors to monitor if the agreement is followed.
Oh, okay. People to monitor the agreement.
Right.
You nominated people to
Right.
monitor the agreement.
Right. And
There
it
were
was
how many
written
there
in the tool.
Maana nti ani endagaano ezo ne zirondayo abantu babiri okusobola okulaba nti endagaano eyo etuukirizibwa nti era mwe mwali Maria Nansoko n'Ensubuga.
Those are who? Nsubuga?
And Zubugo Yisa, YISA. Oliver Otten,
Okay. How old are you?
48.
What do you do for a living?
Information security officer.
Information security officer?
Yes.
With which company?
DXC.
Ategeeza nti akola ne kampani eyo eyitibwa TXT.
TXT.
TXC.
TXT.
CC. TXC.
TXC. Is that a company?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Kampani eyo gy'akolera esangibwa mu kitundu
You have no branch in Uganda?
era nti tebalinayo ttabi lyonna mu Uganda.
Where do you reside?
Yeah, currently in Gayaza.
Yes.
Era nti abeera mu kitundu kya Gayaza
When did you come to know them?
nti era mwembi abamanyi.
Yeah, I did the caretaker agreement Rosario and Crystals.
Maybe before we go there, when did you get to first know them?
When I saw first,
Which year? Which year did you-
2019.
Nati yatandika okubamanya mu mwaka 2019.
So
So
how-
where and how? How did you come to know them?
Yeah, in 2019 in December, I met them to make a caretaker agreement on behalf of the companies, Rosario and Crystal.
Let's go slowly,
Yeah,
because we are writing.
okay.
So in 2019, you met them.
Yeah,
To
Okay.
make what?
a caretaker agreement.
To make an agreement.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Nti mu mwaka ogwo ogw'Ekumi omwezi ogw'Ekumi yabasinkana okusobola okukola endagaano ey'okulabirira ekifo.
For caretaking what?
The land of the companies.
Era nti yakulabirira ettaka eryali erya kampani.
Which companies are those?
The companies are called Crystal Estates Limited.
Crystal Estate Limited.
Yes. And Rosario Limited.
Crystal Estate.
Limited.
Mhm.
And Rosario Limited.